Hello everyone, start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now take a small section from the section that you've created and then bring it through the top and back through the side again. Make it look like a butterfly, make a braid at the top and then split this braid into two parts. Now roll it at the top to make it look like antennas, make two braids on either side and join it at the back. Make two ponytails out of the front portion of the hair, roll these ponytails in on themselves, and now take a section out of each of these ponytails from the left and the right side as such. Make multiple of these sections and then tie it up at the back. Now, on the other side, begin to make braids out of it and join sections from either side of your knots to it. Next, leave out two sections of the hair from either side in the front, and then with the rest of the hair, tie a ponytail to it and tighten it. Now, taking the section of the hair that you have left out, begin to braid the hair, and include sections of the hair into the ponytail into this braid. Make a braid in the middle as well, and roll it up and loosen one of the sides before you do so. Roll it up into a bun. Next, start off by tying a ponytail out of the hair. Divide this ponytail into 6 portions and add a rubber band to the middle of each of these 6 portions. Roll the hair in on itself through these middle sections as such. Now, once you are done with this, join it all together at the base as such, braid it, and now roll it up. Pin it up in place. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now take a section from the left and the right side and pull it through the top as such. Now repeat the same step once more, and using the leftover sections from the last loops, join these two together, and this will be the new section where you can loop it through. Now keep doing this until you reach the bottom and add a bow decorative clip to it. Start off by tying a ponytail to the hair. Divide this ponytail into 2 parts. Start off by taking the top portion of it, add a rubber band in the middle of it, roll the hair in on itself. Bring the second section through the first as such, lift it up in order to make this bow-like shape. Now make 3 bows in the front. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side and tie it up at the back. Quite literally make a knot out of it and then use a rubber band to tie it up at the base as such. Now repeat this step once or 2 more times until you reach the base of the scalp, and then after this continue on and do so even till you reach the bottom. Make a normal braid out of it after this. Next, take a sock and then cut off the bottom toes portion of it. Now make it into this rubber band like design. Now do this and wrap it around a ponytail you have created, and then take a small section of this ponytail, make twists out of it by making 2 sections and wrapping it one on top of the other. Wrap it around your sock. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now take a section from the left side of the hair and the right side, pull it through the top sections you have created. In the back, with the section that you have created, divide it into 2 portions and then make a fishtail braid out of it. That is, after dividing it into 2 portions, make it interchanged in the middle. Tie a ponytail out of the hair and then at the top, add a decorative bow or ribbon to it as such. Now, as you progress with this braid, include sections of the hair that is from the ribbon into this braid as such alternatively. This is what it should look like. Add a rubber band once you reach the bottom. Next, we'll start off by leaving 2 sections of the hair from either side out in the front. Tie a ponytail at the back, add a rubber band at the bottom, and roll this up into a bun. Now, take the 2 sections at the back, insert one into the other, make a loop out of the other as such. Now, after you have done this, pull it through the other side and make this twist a knot. Wrap this around the bun you've created. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band to the bottom of it, roll the hair in on itself 2 times as such, and bring it back through the top. Next, take a section from the left side, pull it in through the middle. Do the same on the right side as well, add decorative pins at the top and the bottom of it as such. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and then make a knot out of it. Add a rubber band to the base of it. Now, take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and add a rubber band to the base of it. Once again, repeat this step and then add decorative pins to it. Thank you for watching.